guys, you need to make. First, you need some birch choco, and put it on the cup, and it may get some water or hot water or oops. And now stir. Of course, these things you need to do this again around. Now, if it's done, another one, it should be here. Stir. Bye guys, just keep it stir.